Hello everyone, this is Mark from Cologne Watch, and today I will present you one amazing rare watch. It is the Patek Philippe Nautilus 5711 in platinum with the emerald setting. But before we start, please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button. In 2016 the Nautilus had its 40th birthday, and today I will present you one of the most rarest models within the whole 40 years of production. This is limited to 5 pieces, the 5711 in platinum with the emerald setting. We see on the crisp white dial 12 beautiful finished stones, and on the bezel we can count 32 stones with a total weight of 3 carat. The nice thing about Patek watches in platinum is that on the 6 o'clock position we will find one small diamond. This one has got a 0.004 carat, and for the measurements these are 40.2 millimeter diameter. The height is only 8.8 millimeter, and luck to luck this one measures 44 millimeter. So with the 254 gram on the scale, you think this one the wearing comfort is pretty difficult, but I have to say this one really wears like silk. The bracelet of the Nautilus is exceptionally comfortable, and yeah, in terms of rare watches it is not getting better than this one. In 2016 Patek introduced one platinum blue dial version, and this one was limited to 700 pieces, and I mean here we have got only 5 pieces, so you cannot compare these two watches with each other. And in general I have to say that the whole world is looking at the moment for two watches or two models. We have the Daytona from Rolex and all watches from the Nautilus series. So if you're looking for a solid investment, I would suggest that you check out this piece, because in the recent past we saw some pretty crazy price explosions. I mean, if you take a look at the 5980, this one has got plus 5,000 euro in a few months, and I think this watch here is a solid investment, and it will hold its value. So if you're interested, please check it out, check out our website, yeah, we will see, maybe this one is for you. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Mark Gebauer. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button.